Hi, y'all. So, I only worked half a day today. No wake up again. But that's okay. That's okay. No judging here, right? Um, so, I'm going to be uploading my grocery haul and my meal plan for the week. I'm one day late doing it. Last night we had the imitation KFC coleslaw and fried catfish and shrimp and hush puppies. And so I just got a little bit behind on getting that done. But I'm going to be uploading it. Now, at the beginning of it, there's a couple clips of us at Walmart with Artie and Summy. So, y'all, those are really cute. And then after that, it goes into the grocery haul and everything. And then there's another clip from another grocery haul, I do believe, that I'm going to have on here as well. So I'll probably segment that so you'll know the difference between the two of those.
Carry
Let's
emotion,
go on, y'all. Come on, let's go.
the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be in your life. The weight on your shoulders.
Terry will be in the video. Just like you two little boogers. Oh, they did, didn't they? They made it slippery, I think. Oh, this is clearance stuff. Terry, where is dog food at? Well, they still got 4th of July rugs out. Did you pass the dog food? Oh.
Look at him. He's standing.
Okay, y'all, we went to Lowe's and then we had to go to Walmart. These are the new Funyuns. These are spicy queso. I love Funyuns. I really love Funyuns. So we're going to see how good they are. And let us pray that I am in the full video. Smell good. Oh my God, y'all, I think I like these a lot more than the original. These are really good. If you hadn't had the new Funyuns spicy queso yet, you have got to get them. Right. Fantastic. A 10. Get them today. Okay, start over. Blooper take 2. Blooper take 2. Alright. So as I was saying in that other clip, which I'll put on the end of this video as a blooper. I might know. I don't know. My grocery haul video I put up, I'm going to have 3 different ones in it because they're not huge hauls. I'm just going to combine them together and I'll segment them. And then the next time I go get groceries, I'm going to take y'all along with me to Walmart and Aldi and maybe Priceless. I'm not sure yet. But I got some more Flavor Bomb cherry tomatoes. These are the best cherry tomatoes I've ever eaten. They're so good. Outside of growing my own. We got 6 cans of dog food, which again, I need to switch mine to eating more hard food because this is getting very expensive. And then we have a bag of Great Value granulated sugar right there. Coming right on over. I should have gone to Sam's Club. I just didn't feel like it. We got 2 loaves of artisanal bread. I got a surprise dessert I'm going to be making. So I got a bag of powdered sugar. And I'm going to be making spicy hamburger soup for dinner tonight. I posted my recipe before. And y'all should check that recipe out. I mean, it is... Not just because it's my recipe, but I'm just saying it is very good. But I got a 5-pound bag of yellow potatoes, 1 red pepper, a bag of chopped Great Value chopped pecans, a pack of butter, another bottle of my Bertolli olive oil, a pack of ground beef chuck, a bag of party-size Lay's potato chips, a container of pimento cheese. That cream-style sweet corn right there is going in hush puppies. Louisiana fish fry breading, a can of tomato sauce, a Great Value container of baking cocoa, some Milo's tea that somebody already got in, and the Sandies right there are for my dessert I'm going to be making, which somebody already got one, but I knew they would. This little bit of stuff, y'all. Just this little bit of stuff. Let me give you one sweep through again. I mean, really, it's not much. $98. $98. That's unbelievable. Alright, y'all. And then, of course, we went to Walmart. And I had to pick up a few things because I was missing some items and some snacks. But I'm making my spicy hamburger soup again tonight. So, it's been a couple weeks since I made it. I did get some Southern Butter Pecan Coffee Creamer. I got the Great Value Frozen Mixed Vegetables. The Blue Bunny Soft Serve Vanilla Ice Cream to go with the chest pie I made last night. 18-count cage-free eggs. For my daughter, I got her that Chester's Puff Corn because she loves it so much. I got some Fritos party-size scoops. My son loves Doritos, so those are really basically his, even though I might eat a few. Party-size Doritos, nacho cheese. Tomato soup. Half of that's going in my spicy hamburger soup. We're trying these waters, these sparkling Starburst ice waters. 4 cans of dog food. I needed some dishwashing cubes, so I got Cascade, Platinum Plus, and I got 1 little wax melt, Lotus and Pearl. I got a bag of Funyuns that I just did a short on that I'll be uploading. The new queso. All that, this y'all, $62. I swear, I can't get over the prices of stuff. Hi, y'all. Happy Sunday. I have our grocery haul. I already have a bunch of meat in my freezer right here and in my normal freezer, so I have to organize some stuff, but let me just walk you through. This totaled $172. So to start off, we have a case of Dr. Pepper, I have a family pack of chicken thighs, skin on. I'm not sure if the bone's in. If it is, I didn't mean to get bone in. I have Johnsonville Italian ground sausage. This right here is Hillshire Farm, Polska kibasi. I have a pound of ground beef right there, a pack of bologna, 2 loaves of Sara Lee artisanal bread, which is our absolute favorite. Over here with the produce, I have a bag of fresh spinach. That everything I got is for specific things I'm making. I'm going to be doing desserts and all kinds of stuff, which I don't really need dessert, but you know. And then I got a bag of steamed fresh broccoli florets. I got a package right here of celery, a big bag of baby carrots, a bunch of bananas. This is a head of green onions. And I got a bag of ambrosia apples. I got a bag of the Madame jasmine rice. I like the jasmine because it's like sticky rice. A box of Lipton Recipe Secrets onion. A box of the Barilla lasagna. A bag of party-sized Cheetos, which is my absolute favorite. I love Cheetos. I got a can of La Leche Nestle condensed milk right here. A jar of Marcino cherries. Another bottle of Bertolli olive oil. A can of Pam cooking spray. I have the Ghirardelli sea salt caramel. That is going in a dessert that I'm making. I have a bag of Great Value sweetened coconut flakes. A bag of English toffee bits. A bag of white baking chips, and a bag of Ghirardelli's milk chocolate chips. And I have these sprinkles. A bag of light brown sugar. This big tub of Cool Whip. A box of Land O'Lakes butter. Some ricotta cheese. Sour cream. The Organic Valley whole milk. Some mozzarella cheese. That's 2 cup size. I got my dogs 4 tubs of the Beneful. This stuff is so good for them. It is the salmon with sweet potatoes and brown rice and spinach. 4 of those, and 2 cans of the beef and chicken grill Blue Wilderness. I have a can of fire roasted diced garlic tomatoes. I needed a can of jam, so I love the red raspberry jam. I got a thing of garlic powder, Wishbone creamy French dressing, and a big bottle of ketchup. All $172, y'all. Sad days, right? Hey, y'all. So this is my meal plan for the week. Hopefully I will stick to it. Now, I was supposed to have this video up Sunday, but I didn't. So Sunday, April 21st, I had made imitation KFC coleslaw, hush puppies, deep fried shrimp, and deep fried catfish. And it was amazing. It was very good. Monday today is Fend for Yourself Day because there are leftovers that need to be gone through and they just need to be eaten up. Tuesday, April 23rd, we are going to have sweet and spicy slow cooker chicken and sausage. I'm going to serve that with jasmine rice. I like jasmine rice because it's like a sticky rice. And I'm going to make homemade stewed apples. Wednesday, April 24th, we're going to make homemade pinto beans with pork chop in them. And what I do is I just pull the pork chop out after they're done, and I slice it up into bites and put it back in there. We're going to have shredded cabbage, cornbread with buttermilk. Thursday, April 25th, we're going to have crock pot lasagna soup, a tossed salad, and cornbread. Friday, April 26th, it's Let's Have Leftovers Day because, yeah, all that's got to go, and I'm sure it still won't get eaten. That's why for Mother's Day, one of my gifts, I want one of those food savers to where you can put it in the sealer, date it, and put it in your deep freezer. Saturday, April 27th is my husband's birthday, so it's going to be a surprise dinner. I'll have to share that with you all of what I'm going to do. I haven't decided yet, but I will let you know. And that is the meal plan for the week, y'all. I hope you enjoy it.
Found some peace through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming. Something